Hello, it is our August Workspace Spark unboxing. Excited? Of course you are. Let's jump right on in. So this month, our theme is be the leader you want, right? So we're always talking about bad leadership or what leaders looks like, but are you being the leader that you want? Do you possess the characteristics or the things that you want people to say about you? Before we get started, you know I love talking about our career quote. So this one says, the pessimist complains about the wind. The optimist expects it to change. The leader adjusts the sails. Yes. So, of course, let's dive right on in what's in this box. First is the Resilient Leader book. So one of the trainings this month is I got the chance to interview Christine. And when I tell you, she is amazing. Listen, we've had quite a few books, right? And I love all of them, but this one had me on the edge of my seat. Even talking to Christine about her situation of living in the middle of a Category 5 storm, crazy, right? But it does go back to our lives. How many Category 5 storms have we gone through? And what lessons do we bring into leadership dealing with those, right? And so Christine has some great tips. So please check out our training for this month, but also read the book. We also provided a group discussion. So part of this book comes with a kind of a book club guide. If you have some questions, I want to grab some people and get together. It's a great book for your team, for those that lead teams, or for just your friends if you want to jump in and create your own book club. Anyways, the book is beautiful. I love it, but it's also packed full of great gems. Hope that you like it. Please let us know in the comments some parts that you really, really enjoy. Next is See the World desk sign. So nothing like having something cute on your desk, right? And so be the leader you want to see is our theme, but see the world, right? And so part of being a leader is not just looking at what is in your area or what is in your boundaries, but it's also opening up to what is around us, right? And so see the world. But this is a great sign that you can put on your desk. Next is a USB Charge LED Humidifier. So listen, I'm getting older. I know, to think about that is kind of, but I'm getting older. My skin is not as moist as it used to be. The allergy season is coming. And so having a humidifier is actually really, really good, right? And so we thought it would be great to have a humidifier that you can put on your desk. How awesome is that? Oftentimes you see humidifiers that are super big, the ones we have in the rooms with the kids. There's no way I can fit that on my desk. But now you do have one. So we hope that you enjoy this humidifier. It does have a LED light show. We can't just give you something that's functional. It's got to be cute too. Anyways, hope that you enjoy this humidifier. Awaken Mints. Give yourself a little boost with these Awaken Mints made with peppermint and matcha. So these are actually pretty good. I don't know if you've had these before. I've had them before they got it. That's what they got into our box because they were one of my favorites. They give you a boost of energy. So if you're feeling kind of sluggish or down, it's not just good for your breath. Peppermint also gives you energy throughout the day. So don't go grab that second cup of coffee or third cup, right? Too much caffeine. But you can use these mints. These mints have a little caffeine in them though. But again, the peppermint oil does give you a boost of energy. And last but not least, y'all know I love Knock Knock. These are the cutest sticky packet. Use these sticky notes to help you remember your awesomeness every day. So, oh yeah, I'm goals. Me for the win. Can't stop, won't stop. I'm 24 karat gold. Kinda, sorta, crushing it, and note to awesome self. How cute are these? So I use Post-its or sticky notes all the time. I go between a to-do list and writing out my tasks on sticky notes, posting them on a wall, and then just grabbing them when I'm done, right? And so you have some cute sticky notes for your desk as well. Well, I hope that you enjoy this box. This box was full of some great things. Of course, our trainings, we have Christine, who is our author this month, and I will be leading a training on leading with emotional intelligence. So check us out on our YouTube channel. Can't wait to see you. Again, like always, put a comment in the bottom to let us know what was your favorite product this month, or maybe all of them were. Love to talk to you. Can't wait to see you until next time. Bye.